Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest filled with high trees and colorful flowers, there lived a little turtle named Terry. Terry was not just any ordinary turtle. He had a shell with twinkling patterns of stars and moons that seemed to shine under the sunlight. Terry was a friendly turtle, always happy to help anyone in need. His friends included Pippa the squirrel, Lila the rabbit, and Mr. Owl who lived at the top of the tallest tree. Together, they would always embark on delightful adventures in the woods. One sunny morning, Terry decided to visit the woodland stream, a peaceful place where he liked to relax and watch the little fish darting around. As he ambled there slowly, he noticed something peculiar, a mysterious glowing pebble resting by the water's edge. "What is this?" Terry wondered, picking up the pebble carefully with his little claw. It sparkled brightly, even more dazzling than his shell. Unable to contain his curiosity, Terry rushed to find his friends. He first found Pippa, who was collecting acorns. "Look what I found, Pippa. It's a magical pebble," Terry exclaimed. "Wow, Terry, that looks extraordinary," Pippa admired. Soon, Lila and Mr. Owl joined them, their eyes wide with amazement. "I think this pebble is special," Mr. Owl hooted, his wisdom guiding the conversation. "Perhaps it's a key to an adventure," Lila suggested, hopping excitedly. They decided to take the pebble on an adventure to discover its secrets. As they walked deeper into the forest, the pebble shimmered more brightly, lighting up a hidden path. Following the glowing path, they reached a hidden glade, where there was a circle of ancient stones. A quiet yet magical aura surrounded the place. Terry placed the pebble in the center of the circle, and a soft humming sound filled the air. Suddenly, the stones began to glow, revealing an enchanting vision of the forest's history. Trees growing anew, animals living in harmony. "It's a history window," Terry exclaimed, delighted. As they watched the vision fade, Terry and his friends realized something. The pebble was a legacy, a reminder to always care for their beautiful home. They tucked the pebble back in Terry's shell, promising to keep their forest thriving and peaceful. And so, Terry the turtle and his friends returned to their homes, heartened by their magical discovery and ever dedicated to their forest.